Hey everyone. So today we have a really fun task. So we are gonna take the words in a sentence and keep the same word in the same position in the sentence, and we're just gonna reverse it. So right here we have you have a puppy. Instead of you have a puppy, it would be Uoyevahayp. No period, and this will add a period. So we'll add a period at this one. But if it's a sentence with a period at the end, we want the sentence to end with the period at the end. So, which was a bit of a task for me at first, because I could reverse all the words in a sentence, but the period would be part of the last word, and it would be the very beginning of the last word. So, the period would be right there, the beginning of the last word. So, let me take you through this real quick. So, we're gonna call this reverse sent, rev sent, and then we're gonna use our parameter as sentence. And sentence is gonna equal sentence, which sounds a bit redundant, but I'm just gonna define it up here. That way I can use it in this for loop right here. So sentence equals sentence, or is defined as sentence, period defined as, and then I'm gonna do quote, period, quote, new string. This right here is just the new string accumulator. Because what we're gonna do is for letter in sentence, if letter is not in period, which period is really just a period, it's gonna add it to the new string accumulator. So the new string plus equals letter. So the letter that's not a period is going to be entered into there, which pretty much just takes the periods out of the end of the sentence. So SS is going to be the new strings dot split. So it's just going to split the words up backwards. This took me some time to figure out too. So I had to join the split words that were reversed back together, but I couldn't exactly figure out what to call it. So all I did was really put a space dot join, and it seemed to work out. So space dot join word, and then this is gonna reverse it right here for word in SS. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna reverse the words. It's gonna join the words back together in the new string, and right here, this is where I put the period back in. So if the length len of sentence is not equal to the len of new string, return backwards plus the period. Else, if there was no period to begin with, then and they're the same length from the sentence to the new string, just return backwards, you know? So right here, we're gonna return it. We're gonna take the period out. You have a puppy. Run our code, and it is running it backwards. Yes, Uoyevahaypuy. I spelled that wrong. And now we're gonna add a period in, and we're gonna run that. Yes. So same thing. Uoyevahaypup, but the period is at the end and not right there. Perfect. So our code runs perfectly, and we are all good to go.